Crunch will come into the zone, get a shot off. It's slapped sideways by Murray. And he'll kick it out of the zone right on Hunter. Hunter does a quick pass, bounces off Crunch. Kennedy will go in, doesn't move. Nice save by the goalie. Fire maintain possession. Ty's going to be looking. Does a nice spin move back into the corner. He's at the face.
Center.
Mouthpiece.
All right, kept in the zone by 61 Reed. At the face-off circle. He'll try a shot. Nice shot, goal. Go up 7-1. All right, face-off win. We'll get it in the zone. Reed's got it on his stick. Pass over to Gathers. Nice pass. Plenty of men in front. Clangs off the board. Holden will go into the corner. Gathers gets it back to Holden. Somebody's down. Oops. Trip. Accidental trip. Accidents happen. Don't know. All right, Crunch will come away with the puck off the face-off. They'll send it into the neutral zone. Pollock will pick it up. Pollock kicks it up to Reed. Reed centering pass to Gallagher. Gallagher will enter the zone. Takes a shot off. That's high and wide. Pollock will keep it in the zone. Gomes and Gallagher do a nice job on the back for the penalty kill. Reed behind the net. Trying to get it off. He's shoved down. Ref gets in the way. Everybody's in the way. And Reed doesn't like that. Gets away with one. Crunch will come away with it. Reed's behind the play. Got to get away from that kid. Nice job by Pollock. He interrupts the play, and Gomes will get it out of the corner. There's a lot of men down. Gomes is like holding his man down. Oh, and the player told the ref what to do. Ref didn't like that and calls him for a penalty.
Retaliation.
Oh, was that? I missed that part. Must have been a slash, I'm told. Oh, offsetting. We'll go 4-on-4, I believe. Two separate incidents, I think, means 4-on-4.
We should have 2 in the box.
Oh, you're right.
Not for long.
4-on-3. Up by 6.
Up by 6.
Running clock. Speed it up. Little pause in action while we settle in all the penalties. We've got 2 in the box. They've got 1. We've got 4 men out there. They have 5. Face off. 1 by nobody, but Billish in his big stride will get there first. Flick it ahead to Reese. Reese out the center ice to Gabe. Gabe's going to pluck it off near the red line. Crunch come away with it, enter the zone. Kennedy does a nice job of getting his man out of there. They're all playing with it. Offsides. That man did not get out. 27. 27 didn't get out and starts screaming at his guy. That's not necessary. Everything's running. Billish. Billish chips it out. Right on the stick of Kennedy. Kennedy up to Reese. Reese does a nice spin move at the blue line. Gets a drop pass to Kennedy. Kennedy shot from the face-off circle. Kicks it all the way back to Zavulunov. Crunch will come in with a little bit of speed. Shot wide. Crunch will maintain possession. Do a centering pass. Kennedy's there to steal it. Kennedy up to Reese. Off his stick. Call it a pass to Gabe. Gabe tries the centering pass over to somebody. One-time shot blocked away by the goalie. Right on the stick, and they'll gather themselves at center ice. Zavulunov up to Billish. Billish tried taking it wide. Enters the zone. It's down deep. Centering pass. And there's Ty to save the day. Intercepts it. Sends it in. Everybody will regroup. They'll do a little bit of a change. Shot wide. Picked up by Ty along the boards. Merrick's going to go in. Tries to get it out. Kept in there by Aiden. Cruncher waiting at center ice. Crunch will take it off. Right on the stick of Ty. Offsides anyway. Well, nope, I guess not. Picked up by Holden. Holden's going to cross the line. Tries to do a drop pass for Merrick. Just a little bit late. Ty will try to get it out. Merrick does a good job of back checking. Ty will get his man. He'll send it behind the net. Back the other way. Holden will pick it up, wrap it around the boards all the way to Hunter. Hunter needs to keep control of the puck. He does. Gets it off to Holden. Holden's got Merrick. Merrick holds up the blue line. Yeah. Aiden fighting for the puck, goes down. They call him for a trip. We'll go man up. All right, Gomes over to Gathers. Gathers back to Gomes. Gets it all the way over to Pollock. What's wrong? Oh, there was some jostling in the front I wasn't paying attention to. And apparently it got a little too rough at recess. And I'm not sure I understand that. I don't know. Face off outside the zone. No penalties. 5 in the crease. 3:30 left. Fire will in the face-off. Back out of the zone. Pollock will pick it up. He'll gather everybody. Kick it over to Reed. Reed up to Gathers. Gathers with a move at the blue line. Enters the zone. He's taken down from behind. No call. Kennedy centering past the Gathers. Gathers over to Reed. Reed goal. That was a nice tic-tac-toe passing scenario. There we go. We're up 8-1, 2:40 left on a running clock. Crunch will come away with the face-off. They'll enter the zone. Fire have good numbers back. Everybody's back checking, doing their job. Crunch around one. You're looking. Get a shot off on Murray. He saves it. Billish behind the net. Wraps it around the boards. Legault will pick it up. Legault out to Holden. Holden gets his man. He'll enter the zone. He's got Gabe. Tries to get... Oh, nice pass to Gabe, but just under his stick. Kept in the zone. Holden will take it back. He's got Reese. Gets it over to Reese. Reese one-time shot. Gobbled up by the goalie. Still playing well. 2 minutes left. Got a running clock, so it'll go by quick. Back for the face-off. Call it one by Crunch. Crunch will come up behind the net. Block the side. Holden will get it. Maintain possession. He's got men in there. Trickles off everybody. Crunch will come out and they'll push it out of the zone. Zavalunov in center ice. He'll kick it back to Billish and they'll restart all over. Billish snaps it up at the line. Kicks it ahead. Not out. Intercepted by Holden. Holden up to Gabe. Gabe's going to cross into the blue line. They've got numbers. Gabe, nice pass by Gabe. Just behind Holden, out of the way. 1 minute left. Reese will pick it up on the side. He'll try a centering pass. Doesn't get through traffic. Behind the net. Looking. Ooh, just out of the reach, and we'll have a one-on-one. Crunch on Zavalunov. Zavalunov pushed the person to the outside. Nice glove save by Murray. And Murray reenacts the glove save. That'll do it. We might get the face-off done with a running clock. Looks like we have this at hand. Face-off won by the Fire. Marek pushes it up to Kennedy. Kennedy's got 20 seconds. He enters the zone. He's going to get a shot off. In. Put the finishing touches on. 9-1. We'll let the time expire. I'll get my electronics all taken care of. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you at 6 o'clock. Same rink in Nashville. Bye-bye.